What's the meaning of Communist Party? Communist Party. Communist Party.
Communist Party. Communist Party. The Communist Party is a political organization that advocates for a socialist economic system where the means of production are owned and controlled by the community as a whole, rather than by individuals or corporations. The party seeks to eliminate class distinctions and establish a society where wealth and resources are distributed equally. Countries that have implemented Communist Party rule have seen varying degrees of success and criticism, with some lauding the emphasis on equality and social welfare while others criticize the lack of individual freedoms and economic stagnation.